people holding hands, and this is for the ones with broken hearts. What I'm trying to explain is in our lives there'll come a day when we find those feelings lost in the dark. It's the falling, the flying, the losing, the trying. It's that crazy little thing that we call love. When it comes to you, if I had to tell the truth about the mixed up thoughts my mind's been thinking of, it's like the sunshine and it's like the rain. You bring me pleasure and you bring me pain. I'm in over my head, got you under my skin. Ain't love something? Cheer up, my little buttercup. Your eyes are filled with reasons not to stay. But let me say this once again, not as a poet, as your friend. The things you're thinking right now, I think every day. It's like the sunshine and it's like the rain. You bring me pleasure and you bring me pain. I'm in over my head, got you under my skin. Ain't love something? It's like the sunshine, and it's like the rain. You bring me pleasure and you sure won't bring me pain. I'm in over my head, got you under my skin. Ain't love something? Yeah. I'm in over my head, got you under my skin. Ain't love something?